everyone! I'm going to share a super tip on how to adjust the polished effect in my mockups. Double-click on the Smart Object layer for the floor. I'll set up the product panel and save it. I return to the mockup window. Notice that when I activate the Polish Finish layer, the effect covers the entire floor, including the grout. To remove the polished effect from the grout, I'll duplicate the Smart Object layer using the new Smart Object via Copy option. Inside the Smart Object panel, I'll select the grout to create a vector mask. To create the mask, select the grout using the Magic Wand tool. Then click on Create a new layer, select the Paint Bucket tool, or press G, and click on the new layer to fill it. Next, remove or hide the texture layer, leaving only the mask layer visible. Now save and go back to the mockup window. To select the grout mask, press Command Mac or Control PC and click on the Smart Object icon. I'll go to the Polished Effect layer and delete the marked grout. Press the Delete key. Adjust the opacity of the polished layer to achieve the desired effect. This way, the polished effect won't interfere with the grout. Save as a new document. That's it. I hope you found this tip helpful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more content like this. See you next time.